Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The old-fashioned Cat5 cable is no longer a recognized standard, but it technically supports gigabit speeds, just not well. Cat5e cable is enhanced to reduce interference so that it can reliably deliver gigabit speeds. However, gigabit Ethernet still pushes the cable to its limits.
Let's help you make your mark.
Category 7 cable, known as a Cat7 or Cat7 cable, is used to cable the infrastructure of gigabit Ethernet. It supports high-speed Ethernet communication up to 10 gigabits per second. These are backward compatible with Cat6, Cat5, and Cat5e categories.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If you want to be sure of getting the best speeds, then Cat6 and Cat6a cables are a good bet. They often don't cost too much more than Cat5, and for future proofing, then they are a wise option. Also, Cat5 is now obsolete, so it is best not to use it.
Let's help you make your mark.
Generally, Cat6 is the standard for office use. Cat6a is recommended for higher performance and 10 gigabit Ethernet over the full distance. Cat8 supports 45 gigabit Ethernet, but its short range for those speeds makes it best suited for connections inside of one room.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Cat7 connectors are compatible with Cat5, with enhancements and caveats. Cat5, Cat5e, Cat6 and Cat7 are physically and electrically compatible. It's when you try to do 10 gigabits per second or higher signaling on the cable that the Cat5e standard falls over.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Cat5e can support network operating speeds of 10 megabits per second, 100 megabits per second or 1000 megabits per second. The gigabit rates are the maximum speed for Cat5e cable. When used for voice and data applications below max rate, Category 5e has a cable length limitation of 100 meters.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Cat5e cables are good for the typical electronics user, while Cat6 Ethernet cables are often used in commercial or professional settings. But both Cat5e and Cat6 cables are also preferred by gamers. Cat5e cables are rated at 100 MHz, while Cat6 cables are rated at 250 MHz, which means the latter can offer higher speeds.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Category 5, Cat5, and Category 5 Enhanced, Cat5e, are actually basically the same. Nothing changed physically in the cable itself. Instead, Cat5e cables are tested more stringently to ensure less crosstalk, electrical interference.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Cat6 speed. Because Cat6 cables perform up to 250 MHz, which is more than twice that of Cat5e cables, 100 MHz, they offer speeds up to 10 Gbps or 10 gigabit Ethernet, whereas Cat5e cables can support up to 1 Gbps or 1 gigabit Ethernet.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.